Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. I welcome you all in our today's lecture. Hope you are doing well at your home and doing your homework regularly. Today we are going to start standard 10th subject science chapter number 15 environment. Okay, so let's start our lecture for today. So starting with the word environment and ecosystem. First of all, we need to understand the actual meaning of these two words, that is environment and ecosystem. So if we talk about the environment, what is an environment? So whatever the physical surrounding, okay, whatever the physical surrounding is there around you and whatever the living organisms are there on the earth, both this living organism and physical surrounding combinedly form environment. So environment is nothing but basically a combination of living organism and whatever the physical surrounding is there around it. But if we talk about the ecosystem, again these two words are going to be used in ecosystem. So what is the actual difference? So whenever the interaction is taking place between the physical surrounding and the living organism present on the earth, then that interacting system is known as ecosystem. Okay, environment is just the combination, okay, which consists of physical surrounding and living organism, whereas ecosystem forms an interacting system between your living organism and its physical surrounding. Okay, so what is the actual definition if we define ecosystem? So it is like the interacting system forms between the physical surrounding and its living organism is known as ecosystem. Okay, now this ecosystem, we are going to learn this ecosystem in detail in this chapter. So this ecosystem is of two types. This ecosystem is of two types, that is natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem. Okay, अगर मैं ecosystem को divide करूँ, it is of two types, that is natural and one is man-made. Generally, ecosystem is subdivided into two parts, that is natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem. If we talk about natural ecosystem, it is present on two different parts. Means again it is subdivided into two parts, that is terrestrial, which is generally known as land system, and aquatic, which is generally known as water system. So our natural system is again subdivided into two parts, that is terrestrial and aquatic. If we talk about the terrestrial, that means the ecosystem which is there on the land. Okay, so that is forest. You can include forest in that. Okay, apart from forest you can include, चलो सोचो क्या एग्जांपल हो सकता है ऐसा इकोसिस्टम जो लैंड पे है. ठीक है, एक एग्जांपल मैंने लिख दिया फॉरेस्ट. यस, यू कैन यूज डेजर्ट आल्सो. ओके, पता चल गया. सो ऑल दिस आर इंक्लूडेड एज टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. Okay, and if we talk about the aquatic, so you know the names, that is oceans and seas. They are included in aquatic natural ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem is nothing but the interaction between the physical surrounding of the living organism and its living organism. Okay, it is of two types, that is natural and man-made. In natural you have two ecosystems, one which is there on the land, it is known as terrestrial ecosystem, and one which is there in the water, and it is known as aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem के example क्या है? Forest, desert. Okay, and for aquatic you have example like oceans and seas. Okay, now let's move on to our next, that is man-made ecosystem. So man-made ecosystem consists of garden, ठीक है, farms, ठीक है, फार्म्स फील्ड यानी जहां हम खेती बाड़ी करते हैं हमारे फार्मर्स, दैट इज फार्म्स फील्ड. ओके, एंड वन मोर इज एक्वेरियम. दिस ऑल आर मेड बाय किसने बनाया इन सबको? ह्यूमन बीइंग ने बनाया ना. सो दे ऑल आर मैन मेड इकोसिस्टम. Okay, so you got the topic. This is the overall introduction about the ecosystem. ठीक है, this is overall. So I hope you got the topic. ठीक है, so what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is nothing but the interacting systems that exist between the living organism and its physical surrounding. Ecosystem is subdivided into two parts, that is natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem. Natural ecosystem is again subdivided into two parts, that is ecosystem which is there on the land is known as terrestrial ecosystem, ठीक है, which includes forest and desert. Okay, the next is which is there in water, so that ecosystem is known as aquatic ecosystem, ठीक है, which includes oceans and seas. Okay, then our next classification is man-made ecosystem, which is made by the human being, and that includes garden, farm fields and aquarium. So that is all about the ecosystem. Okay, now our next topic is component of ecosystem. We learn about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? How many types of ecosystems are there? That we have learned. Now we are going to learn the components. Means what are those components which make the ecosystem? Ecosystem बनाता कौन है? ठीक है, so naturally किसी न किसी component से बना होगा. So now we are going to learn about the components of ecosystem. So there are two components of ecosystem. ठीक है, first is biotic. ठीक है, biotic, and next is abiotic. So ecosystem consists of two components, biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components means all living organisms. Biotic component means all type of living organisms together form biotic components, and all non-living ठीक है things forms abiotic component of ecosystem. ठीक है, so we are going to start with biotic components. Now biotic components consists of three main parts, that is first is producer, second is consumer, and third is decomposer. So our biotic components, actually biotic component means whatever the living organism there on the earth, all those living organisms are going to be included in biotic component of an ecosystem. Now these biotic components are subdivided into three parts, that is producers, consumer and decomposer. ठीक है, if we talk about the producer, ठीक है, what is producer? So all those organisms which are autotrophic by nature, means producer का जो दूसरा नाम है, that name is autotrophic organism. ठीक है, क्या नाम है? Autotrophic organism. So किसे autotrophic organism कहा जाता है? That we have learned already in our lower standards. Those organisms which has the ability to make their own food, वो organism जो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं, all those organisms which have the ability to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis are known as producers. ठीक है, so producer की definition क्या है? All those organisms which are independent as far as their food requirement is concerned. They don't depend on anybody for their food requirement. They make their own food, they cook their own food, and what is the process by which they do so? So that process is known as photosynthesis. So and they are known as autotrophic organisms. So autotrophic organisms are known as producers, which by the process of photosynthesis make their own food. Okay, and they are of two types. ठीक है, if we talk about the land, ठीक है, अगर हम land की बात करें, land यानी terrestrial and one is water. So land के अंदर कौन खाना बनाने का काम करता है? That is all plants. ठीक है, सब plants आ गए उसमें, and water में algae. ठीक है, like blue, green, all those. Okay, so this is the detailed information about the producers. So what is producer? Producers are autotrophic organisms which have the ability to make their own food, and the process by which they make their food is known as photosynthesis. Those autotrophic organisms which are there on the land, are known as plant, and those autotrophic organisms which are there in water or aquatic system is known as algae. Okay, is it clear? पता चल गया? Okay, now let's talk about the consumers. ठीक है, consumers are those organisms which does not make their own food. Actually they depends on other for their food requirement. ठीक है, वो अपना खाना कभी खुद बनाते ही नहीं है. They depend on other organism to make their food. So such organisms comes under the class that is consumer, and their general name is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic organisms. क्या कहा जाता है उन्हें? Heterotrophic organisms means those organisms which does not make their own food. Actually they depends on other organisms like producers. Consumer depends on producer for their food requirement. ठीक है, whatever their food they need, they have to take it from the producers. So such organisms are known as heterotrophic organisms which come under the class consumer. Okay, पता चल गया आपको? Now we have different types of consumers. Okay, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. Okay, we have different types of consumer. Primary consumers means those consumers which depends on herbivorous animal for their food requirement. ठीक है, for example I am writing heterotrophic, that is first, second and third. So जो first consumer है they are known as herbivorous. ठीक है, they are known as herbivorous. सेकेंड में आता है कार्निवोरस. ठीक है, एंड थर्ड में आता है ओमनिवोरस, एंड फोर्थ जो है, ठीक है, दैट इज पैरासाइट्स. So consumers are also subdivided into four categories. Your consumers are also subdivided into four categories. First category is herbivorous. So what is herbivorous? Herbivorous are those organisms which depends on green grass or plants for their food. यानी जो घास फूस खाते हैं, ठीक है, vegetarians you can say. So they are herbivorous. Then second category is carnivorous. So what is carnivorous? Carnivorous are those organisms which eat herbivorous as their food. Carnivorous वो organisms है जो herbivorous को खाते हैं as a food. ठीक है. Then third is omnivorous. Omnivorous means जो herbivorous को भी खाते हैं और जो plants को भी खाते हैं, यानी they eat veg and non-veg both. So such organism comes under the category of omnivorous. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट इज पैरासाइट्स. पैरासाइट क्या करते हैं? जो भी लिविंग बॉडी होती है उस लिविंग बॉडी के अंदर जाके उसको अंदर से धीरे धीरे खाने का काम शुरू करते हैं. मींस दे एब्सॉर्ब द लिक्विड न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट. होस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी बॉडी होस्ट है. सपोज कोई बैक्टीरिया मेरे अंदर चला गया, सो मेरी बॉडी उसके लिए क्या बन जाएगी? होस्ट. सो दैट बैक्टीरिया, ठीक है, क्या करेगा? इट विल एब्सॉर्ब ऑल द liquid nutrients which is there in my body slowly and steadily and complete its food requirement. So such organisms are known as parasites. उन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? Parasites. ठीक है, पता चल गया? Okay, now last is decomposers. So what is decomposers? So decomposers means which feed on dead bodies. ठीक है, डिकम्पोजर्स वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जो किसी भी डेड बॉडीज को फीड करते हैं, वो किसी लिविंग बॉडी को नहीं खा सकते. सपोज एनी एनिमल, ठीक है, जो मर जाता है, यानी डेड एनिमल्स होते हैं, सो डेड एनिमल्स की बॉडी को फीड करके अपनी फूड रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करना, दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ डिकम्पोजर्स. सो डिकम्पोजर्स डिपेंड्स ऑन डेड बॉडी ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर देयर फूड रिक्वायरमेंट्स. So these are the various types of biotic components. Okay, so biotic components, they are of three types, that is producers, consumers and decomposers. If we talk about producers are known as autotrophic organisms. Why they are known as autotrophic organisms? Because they can make their own food by the process known as photosynthesis. Okay, and in land In land, producers are green plants, and in water, the producers are algae. Algae means blue-green algae, all those type of organisms. Then consumers. Consumers are those which depends on producers for their food requirement. They are not going to make their own food, and they are subdivided into 4 categories. The first category is herbivorous animals, which eat only green grass and plant as their food. Then second is carnivorous animals, which eat herbivorous animals as their food. Third is omnivorous animals, which eat green plants as well as herbivorous animals as their food. यानी जो दोनों को खाते हैं, ग्रीन प्लांट को भी और एनिमल्स को भी. Then last category is parasites. Parasites are those microorganisms which absorb the liquid nutrients present in the body of the host. Okay, and the last category, this last part of biotic component is decomposers. And decomposers feeds on the dead body of the animals. ठीक है, जब कोई एनिमल्स मर जाता है तो उनकी बॉडी को फीड करके खा जाना, यानी डिकम्पोज करने का काम किसका होता है? डिकम्पोजर्स का. ठीक है, एंड फाइनली वी आर लेफ्ट विद इज अबायोटिक. So in abiotic components, all non-living things. For example, we can write temperature. ठीक है, temperature is there. ठीक है, wind is there. Soil, minerals. ठीक है, all those things comes under the topic of abiotic components. So abiotic components includes temperature, wind, soil, minerals as their components. Okay, so that's all for this topic, which is components of ecosystem. Okay, so what we have learned in today's lecture, we have learned about the word environment, we learn about the word ecosystem, then we learn about the various type of ecosystem. Okay, and the last topic of today's lecture, that is component of ecosystem. Okay, and this question is going to be asked in your exam for 3 marks. ठीक है, in detail and in short it is going to be for 2 marks. Okay, so hope you got the topic and enjoy the topic. As a homework, you have to go through this questions and topic at your home. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.